you're having trouble with voice chat in Fortnite, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is set up correctly. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in Fortnite. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Adjust the volume levels as needed. Step 2. Test your microphone. Ensure that your microphone is working properly. You can test it outside of Fortnite using a different application or device. If it doesn't work elsewhere, the issue may be with the microphone itself. Step 3. Verify game permissions. Check that Fortnite has the necessary permissions to access your microphone. On consoles, this is usually found in the system settings, while on PC, you can find it in the privacy settings. Step 4. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting Fortnite can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely and then reopen it to see if the voice chat starts working. Step 5. Update your software. Ensure that both Fortnite and your device's operating system are up to date. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve issues with voice chat functionality. If you've followed these steps and are still experiencing issues, consider reaching out to Fortnite support for further assistance.